Badger Punch.
Okay, so Rob's given odds 10 to 1 that you can't sneeze with your eyes open. Isn't that right, Rob?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So we asked everybody in the building to put in $1 and see if they couldn't sneeze on camera with their eyes open, because Rob wants proof. Sound fair?
Okay.
10 to 1 odds. Huh? You're going to pay this. Now I just got to make sure, because we didn't get you on film for this.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll give anybody 10 to 1 odds if they can sneeze with their eyes.
Hold on.
You give me $1, I'll give you 10 if you're successful.
So, you know, I'm getting everybody in the office, right? So everybody's.
matter, I'll take all
There's got to be
covers.
200 people out there. All right,
I'll take
okay.
all covers.
All right.
But yeah, well, it's got to be done on camera with proof.
We're looking for some high-speed.
Oh yeah, you want to sneeze? Got a bag of spices there for folks sneezing. You want to sneeze? Okay, what we need, Danny, is we need somebody to make sure the lights are all right. Or just a pretend sneeze. You don't have to force sneeze. I know you don't want to blow snot all over yourself. So, there it is over there. Head that way. Okay, so we're going to use this bag of assorted spices. And this is what we're going to make people sneeze with.
Because you were. The tripod somewhere?
I have a bag full of spices. I Googled this because I figured if we were able to make this so that we could provoke a sneeze. Where's the chair? Okay. Everybody took off. It's a good thing Rob's taking advanced first aid because my fucking eyes are hanging out, man, and it really hurts. Not a good idea. I'm going to the hospital.
I just want this on the record. He didn't actually give me $1. He just, yeah. So there is no actual bet, right? Right. That's how it works. He didn't pay me the $1, so I'm not paying him. Okay. Something like that, I guess.